Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really cute Mother's Day easy paper craft. So this is a really easy way of making a paper Mother's Day gift, and which is useful too. So I just made like a ring-like structure at the back part. So if you guys made this in a kind of smaller size, you guys can even give it to your mom and she can wear that as a ring. So if you did not do it like in a smaller size, you guys can just like do like a stand. So I'll teach you guys how to do the stand later in this video, and you can just keep this in your mother's table or anywhere else, and so that she can see it whenever she comes to that room. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this really cute gift. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So now let's get started. So to get started, I'm just going to be grabbing a few materials. So some of the materials we need for this craft are two colored pieces of paper. One is purple and one is pink. So as you guys see from the distance, it looks like the same color, but actually they're kind of different. So if you guys have like any different color combinations, you can even take. But please take like Mother's Day color. So you can take a red and pink, red and purple, or pink and purple, or any color combination you like. Then I'm just going to also taking a glue bottle, a scissor, and I'm taking a black marker. So you guys can take any other marker you're going to be using for decoration. So the first step is that I'm just going to be cutting out a big heart from this paper. So I'm just going to be making this in like kind of smaller size because I've already told you that I'm just going to be making this one like as a ring. So if you want, I'll also show you guys how to do if you're going to make like as a stand. So now I'm going to be cutting this heart, and now we've got this small heart. Now I'm just going to be cutting out one more small heart from this to stick it inside. So I'm just going to be cutting it. So I'm just going to be like cutting it in a really small size. So please wait a second until I complete this. So I'm just cutting it slowly. So you guys can use any color combination you like, as I already said. So one more thing is that as you guys see in the inside, I just like wrote Happy Mother's Day. Instead of that, I'll give you guys an idea. So if you have like your mother's picture, you guys can cut that like in a heart. Then you can even stick that over here. That will be really cute to present it to your mother. So now I've just completed cutting this out. As you guys see, this I'm making it in a really small size because I'm just going to make it as a ring. At last, I'll also show you guys how to make it as a stand, as I said. Now I started. So I do not have my mother's pic in a really small size. So if you have it, you could just cut it and stick it in here in the shape of a heart. That's your wish. So next we'll be seeing how to make this really cute rose. So for that, we're just going to be cutting out a circular part from this paper. So I'm just going to be cutting out a small circle. So please wait a second until I complete. So now I just cut out a circle. So now I'm just going to be cutting this circle into like a smaller circle, but you should not cut it completely. So I'm just going to be cutting it and I'm going to be rolling it slowly like this. So now we have like a structure like this, so like twirls and squigglies. Now I'm just going to be starting off from the corner last part, and I'm going to be rolling this. So it's just like a simple craft. The main part is decoration in this. So once again, I'm just rolling it. So this is a really important part, rolling, because if this is the like one of the main decoration parts too, because without this rolling, it won't look nice. So I'm just going to be rolling it slowly. So please wait a second until I complete this. So I'm just going to be rolling it gently. So I think you guys will not be able to see this properly since it's really small. So if you guys want, you could even stop the video and do this. So at last, I'm just going to be applying some glue here. And I'm going to be sticking this part to the bottom, and I'm sticking this over here. So now after we complete this, we'll have like a cute rose-like structure. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a easy paper cute rose. So you guys can visit that, and you could just make the top part, but you don't have to make the bottom part. So here I'm just going to be applying some glue at this top part, so you can stick it anywhere you like. So it's your wish. So I'm just going to be sticking it at the top over here. So now I've completed sticking this, as you guys see. So next step is that I'm just going to be taking my black marker, and over here I'm just going to be like drawing a small heart at the top, and now I'm going to be coloring it in. So if you guys want, you could even take like so here, as you guys see what I've done, I just like cut out another purple heart, then I drew this small black thing over here. So it's your wish, you do not have to do it for compulsorily. I just did like this. So here I'm just going to be writing like mom, and I'm just going to put like a heart symbol over here. So you can write Happy Mother's Day, you can write like any short note, and if you have like a black pen, you can just write like a small note at the back part. So here I'm just going to be writing I, and I'm going to be drawing like a heart symbol, and I'm going to be putting you over here, and that's it. So as you guys see, I just wrote like I love you, and for mom I'm just going to be writing it at the bottom if there's space. So for that I'm just going to be like squeezing it inside slowly like this. So as you guys see, I don't have much space over here, so I just squeezed it in. I love you, mom. So you guys can write anything if you want. So at the back, if you guys want, you can just like write small notes. And for the next decoration, I'm just going to be putting small dots around this piece of paper for decoration. So it's not compulsory you have to do this decor. It's like your wish. If you want it, you can do that. So now we've completed this, and our rose is also ready. So you guys can write any sweet message or anything you like. So as I said, I'm making this in a ring size. So it'll be easy, but as you guys see in this one, I did not make it as a ring size. So if you guys want to like have like a stand, I'll teach you guys. So for that, you're supposed to be taking like a piece of paper like this, and you're supposed to be cutting it into a rectangle based on the size of the paper of the heart. Then you're supposed to be folding it in half. So now you're supposed to be opening this, and you're supposed to be gluing this part to the back. So I'll just like make it in a kind of smaller angle. Then I'll show you guys and demonstrate this in this one. So as you guys see, I just like cut it in half like a stand. Now I'm just going to be applying some glue over here on this part, and I'm going to be sticking this one over here. So I just stuck this one over here. So as you guys see, like it will be like a cute stand, and you can just place it over here and it'll be really cute. So you can keep it in your mom's room, near her bed or anything, and she'll really enjoy it, and she'll be really happy when she sees this, and she'll remember you. So if you don't want this, you can even make it like a ring. So I'm just taking this off. Then I'll teach you guys how to make the ring. So for that, it's a simple craft idea, and it's really easy. You just have to cut out a rectangular piece of paper like this, and you're supposed to be applying some glue at the top part of the paper. So after we complete applying glue on the top portion, I'm just going to be sticking this to form like a ringish structure. So please apply more glue, because once you gifted it to your mother and it comes out, it won't be really nice. So I'm just going to be doing it like this. So now I'm just going to be turning this paper over here, and I'm going to be applying some glue in the middle of that paper. So now I'm just going to be taking this ringish structure, and I'm going to be sticking this over here. After we complete this, our ring is ready. So you can put it in your hand like this. So then you can gift it to your mother. So as you guys see, you can squeeze it over here. I'm just going to be keeping it over here. So it's really cute as you guys see. And it's also really small. So you guys can make this in a really small size, a big size, or any size you want it to be. So I'm just going to be taking it off right now. So as you see, it's really cute, and this rose is also really cute. So you guys can make the rose in any size, and you can even make like a stand for this. So one more thing is that you can even stick it onto a wall, and you can just like take a piece of paper and roll it like this. Like I'll teach you guys one thing. So you can take like a rectangular piece of paper like this. You can fold it like this. So then you're supposed to be sticking this, and you could just like insert one more paper from here. Then you can apply glue over here, and you can do like a chain like that comes and comes on. Or you can even like do like something, you just roll paper like just fold two papers again and again, and you can even do that. So there are many tricks. Then you can hang it like a chain, or then you can like make it like a chain and give it to your mother so that she can wear it on her neck. You can make a really cute necklace. And if you make it in a really small size, you can just take like some earring things, then you can give it as a earring too. It has many uses. And you can even like make an anklet, so really small size, and you can just do it, but it won't be really cute for anklet. You can but one thing is that you can make it as a bracelet. So you can just fold the back part like this. Then you could just like if your mom has any other strings, you guys can use that, or you can even stick this onto another made bracelet or anything else. So it has many uses, and your mother will really like this gift. So it has many uses, and it's also a really easy paper craft to make without any use of money, and you can do it with easy homemade materials. So after we complete this, our easy paper cute Mother's Day gift is ready. So you guys can do any more cute decorations you like and make it really cute, and you can gift it to your mother. You can write anything over here, and this will make your mother will surely love this, and they'll really like it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. And thank you all for supporting me and my channel. Keep continuing to watch my channel for more interesting videos like this and subscribe to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!